Hello, I welcome you all to this session. On screen, you can see personal factors is there. Actually, it is part of the chapter sources of values, which is the last part of Unit 1 Philosophy and Human Values. In previous classes, we saw the family factor, which acts as a sources of value, and social factors, which acts as sources of values. And inshallah, in this one, we will see what are the personal factors which serves as the sources of values. Okay, now I will go by the book. Okay, what is there? It starts like this: personal traits such as intelligence, ability, appearance, and educational level of the person determine his development of values. Okay, so point number one, intelligence. The person, okay, uh, either man or woman, okay, whoever has got intelligence, okay, or probably, or what I have comprehended is understanding, okay, knowledge, knowledge of understanding, okay. That is what I think of intelligence, okay, which tells us the difference between good and bad. Then ability, yes, okay. What is the ability? Ability to learn, okay, to acquire knowledge, okay. கற்றது கையளவு, கல்லாதது கல்லளவு. கற்றது கையளவு, கல்லாதது கடலளவு, okay. That is always, okay, one should be ready to learn, okay. That ability should be there in the person. We should not see as, no, I can't, I take retirement. So the ableness, it should be there, okay. Appearance, yeah, and they say, a saying is there, first impression is the best impression, okay. So what here actually now in this era means appearance, to be neatly dressed, okay, or to present ourselves a man of manners, okay, of values, of ethics, okay, and educational level of the person. So if I have got educated, probably what I do, I used to read books, okay. Yeah, there are a lot of ways of learning, and this is a classic way of learning, okay, that is going through the books, okay. And if I'm educated means, probably what I can learn more from the already existing providence or the sources which are serving as the factors to develop the values in me, okay. So what are the things are the personal factors are considered as source of values means of intelligence, ability, appearance, and educational level. And what you think, from where we can have this as basics or as foundation? Absolutely. We get this from our schools. Okay, from our elementary schools or metric or the school in general, then college. So these are the places which impart the knowledge. Hope you will agree with me. Okay, and now it continues like this. For example, if a person is highly intelligent, he will understand the values faster. Okay, so I have got the knowledge, I have got the understanding. Means what I will do, I will understand the value of values in a very short period, or to be precise, in no time. Okay, because I have got the knowledge of what is good or what is bad. Okay, so if Allah wills, means inshallah I will choose the right path with the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, oh, I am saying this my own comprehend. Okay, it depends upon the personality, whoever the uh, sources. Okay, okay, let me come back to the lesson. If he is highly educated, high values will be inculcated in him by his school and college. So it is not like we the uneducated or without values. It doesn't means here. Now see, it is conditional class. If he, okay, I add he or she is highly educated, high values will be inculcated in him or her by his or her school and college. The school and colleges are considered as the foundations of this modern era's people, that serves as the foundation for learning values. Okay, what schools and colleges. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to learn. Okay, we have to be educated. Okay, both in the as a person of literacy and as the person of human values. Yeah, that is what is the point. Okay, so schools and colleges, that serves as the foundation to impart, okay, the human values. So probably at home we know the family values, but how we will know about business values? Because there is no business at home, isn't it? So if we go to school or college, probably we will learn business values. This is for an example. For BBA or MBA or business colleges are there. Okay, business colleges in the sense that the colleges which provides this BBA and MBA program. Okay, and other than that, lot of things are there. Okay, that is how to have intrapersonal. At home we have interpersonal, isn't it? Okay, and how to develop that intrapersonal skills, everything when we come together, okay, from different backgrounds, we learn. And for a beginner, school and college plays as the foundation. Okay, thank you gentlemen. This is what is related to the personal factor which acts as factor of sources of values. Hope you understand. If not, please raise your questions in your classroom comment boxes. And due to my health reasons, I was not able to post the videos. Inshallah, uh, it will be not in future. I will try to post in daily basis. Thank you. Thanks for your patient listening. uh, all the best. Bye.